Esther, una good afternoon. I greet everybody. Untouchable Mama. I greet everybody. It's too hot today, too hot. So me, I just see quit the talk and they go. I dey see some comments say me I remove the picture. I no remove the picture. Eri no ya wu enye mu egbe na. Opi agwa egwa, okwo egwa, owe e o. Owe ni he ya mu egbe, a kan you. Doma no e we gie, amwe nu e. Ha na wow, I dey fear. First of all, this one kind. If do, because why we do nena, he love egg na ya gwan because ya aro wa ya zebu na go me. So we can be do na gwan ni veze do. If do ni re Germany. If do ni re Germany, wa mo bo wanya na. Ya esowo so ma set je stop e. Orie ene no ga ya wu na wa ma set stop e. Ona esu nu Italy nia. On est sous de Spain, ya. Wa follow ma bo. Akan. Awe wo ke gware awe Germany. Ekwe no nu wa ni ya. Ekwe no nu wa. Iye donire Germany. Wa ma set stop e boy na. Wa ma set stop e. Ha no. Wa ma set stop e. Iye donire Germany. Ekwe no nu wa na. Wale enyo na eseti sunu be wujo mo ologo eseti sunu what's the name we edo awe iye donire Germany iye donire Spain iye donire Italy ade meeting wa doni wa ma seti ijene ade edo union be Germany wa ma seti stop a boy na na jigbinata Oga na no ya stop ene. Awe democracy, yes. Great democracy. Emi soro nu aju nu weta, uja ansa equeri. Emi soro nu awaju nu weta we this world free no wetite no really come we. Yes, wetite no really come we. Ru abe ya ansa ejo. Eru abe ya ansa wa to unati rubbish. Udo ansa e. Ama we no nya nu na eja egunwa. So far or asege uladian udo ya time udo ya defended gbewe o ma insect defended gbewe e ba na do ami e o jenewo iye do ni re Germany ona ene sunu Italy ona ene sunu wo ama seti mi o na gbe petition ya boy na le Germany ge mama Gladys ni a e no bi eleta e mata no Nigeria embassy iya na to le mu ya gbe petition iya gbejo carabinieri oyali ebegie amami o no seti la dian le Germany be le Germany polo se vie do ya ni no vodo no gbe petition yen boy na evidence raw evidence oreva amami aru okpa no la dian ite wi gwan Germany na ige iwa mi o wa jo dodo na we ma ta no ya jo wa ri no no ja jo wa ino nya wo ri pe alele le ga jo wa abo de gbe no ma wi yen ho ama mi e dopa no ya gbe petition nya boy na emi ne boy na ta is against the law wa yo de emi no ta is against the law ama we no nya no na ja ibuwa so far no set me prove la dian ni me ya rewe bona for many years ago me won pa no we ko vunye gbe all that like Italy my king give up Italy ne but many other country the European men because them no sunu back ago oje Italy na we igwale nya igale king give winya because ya na kpasi ya erude emi no sunu ege no ko na aro so ya na kpa so ege na okwo ya fo ya na we no wa badoni ma ege ni mana need we so my igwale any king give we ma or say Italy na a king till tomorrow Spain Belgium wo me rioni Holland mi ati London Queen Elizabeth River me nya ru pa na nyo wa gbe o wa latian o we jess Queen Elizabeth in hand wa gugun ni me ya live na imemie ama we no nya nu na egunwa so fa no set defended gbe o ma gba is against the law to wa ma enya ni metamu wa if you donire Germany wana mwe video wo ovio ho no gemi no that a woman is against the law wa yoro we is against the law e po any right we on any right no la dia eni nuju we maseti wu eni neru we maseti wu uwu we netunyin omo nkan ya o nu editanse wo kan do agun a imayo get video gen ko si igwa lo imayo ni provoke ina wa ko wa bi egbe ono na igwa de kun ina we ogari gbe anege lo ga jo wa abo de gbe egi hon no ha ya jo wa gi no iri do ni reje ni me do yin wa me do tutu wa otutu iri o ma be owo gbalegbe e prove raw on YouTube on Facebook ono na ebo na wa keke na that is our we account oge I would be less intensity like social media. I know your answer the query wo wa ati e wo wa ma seti gbon wa ma seti we e be sun vitally ona e hane sun vitally ni Italy no owie dokpa odo a misbehave o we ni yan agberi yan mu o wa fi pe ge ke no ma keke no fi pe jo e le damu e le sunu ibi do ni reje mi wala o we me do yin wa me do yin wa because e so ro na be o ye make ni akesun e gba ti ro e me not e o ye make ni akesun ma mi wa ni me be ni ro e na do atalo the social media I me gi do yin wa petition wa ya gbejo e passport no wi ye me go bi e Germany ye fi we na ele mi no ga ya una so no ma be ye ne passport no me akan o yo kan kere o ya mi omu ye dori ona mu ya gweze o mai sunu de imele ho le Europe na we ri o mani na ladian ona arovie e king ogiyan ona arovie e Queen Elizabeth o ma sunu esunu be no ya we hwan o ke ti second ya ri eje ke no keke no jene beti vie do ni range mi ya wa won ona wo makanye no pa wo makanye no pa we de ni asset you enu go asset you me do tamu wa na since Germany wa je wa bo gbalegbe ebo e na need no do answer query ave mi no ju no e ta law it's against the law me heseti wa na January makrifo every blessed day iwa arovie savini iwa arovie ke no ma wo o ga ita we do answer yes of course because unuma we no nyenye ja igwa so far at we also ti de no we do answer wo se no tai we do ya answer emeso awa o ya agun a de yen temi no ri kenya e lo re we bo unwe be no ya le that's all akan unwe bi che eri maladian wa gbe rubbish abo wa weji is against the law ye do ni Germany is against the law esunu be wo be esunu when I we picture market kan la jona gbe no market nu gbejo who like one chance ama ewe ore eri mato boy de keni abo wa weji we geni na mama Gladys me egun akekan e ba sin ya gbeberu edne o ma na nu wa yan rule gbebe ne because yan we law ore wi yan and mama Gladys also still defend them Morita na Nigeria embassy no Italy is the worst. Ijoge Spain the Southern Spain me agaya total ina nyunuwa na wa me egbe embassy le na e Nigeria embassy me Italy wa se ba ni egani menajo e toilet oge irule la de ma me ya flush toilet. That is just the truth of one it matter. Always say when many people here dey against Why the worst embassy of Nigeria? Why Italy is the worst? Omeke ya gwan na gbebe. Ona no wa go. Ekenoma ekeno yu pejo na yu pejo. Amami ma no gbebe. Amami ma no gwan ya unwa. Ya awe ya mo like love video. Ya ga share the video. But ita no gijo wa ba ni. Evidence wa raw or whatever. Voja so wo no na no huru ni so one na no huru ni my sister be my brother Sharon make all of us rest for the matter. Go me tell me when you back. Make all of us rest for the matter. Not true. But emi oma mai mi oma ka mai. Omenu wejelania, oma na mwe pishu wela dona gbe rubbish yo. Oma mai no heke no. Una contact me kama we snap a picture ni ye yo balegbe. Nu get ujo wa ko eno dia. Emi ne boy now is getting too much. Obungbe. Ame bio esele oni. Ame bio ima bo kere ni ade na we no. Let me just focus. Ni wa manire jemi ya agwajo. But no. Egbanya mai no heke o de no heke ni ala. I have to tell them. Wa gbe petition. Na do agunwa. Na do atenokpa. No, it's against the law. You can't do that. Where did try the way boy even say picture bo. We want a picture bo la don't be rubbish yo. Umwejevani abio we. Pose ni mama because e bon elo no munye mutia. E bon elo no munye mutia. Even when me gwana nya uri picture that from do gbe rubbish yo. One chance we online. Wa yo me la de wo ma we wo me no. O ma we no one chance lie. You can't try that. Okay, can ma fi were here? I won't need dana. O ma ke go we gon. Uri picture like ugbenemi, ugbenopa. It's against the law. Don't try that. Social media. Na ya awe ni dan. Awe na ya awe miesi. Na ya gwala wose. Awose na ka ku wege ne de na mai mie. Ona ihe na ya we mi owe o wa si bi edobo. Yana wa change e. Me bi obi gbo pa no e ladian. No do we igbo here kan do mu gboto no do ameme a live video or video ba ono na no mama nere no bia ya o ye do pass no re jemi ya lo pa ma seti we enye na no na stop o me stop it we don't try it in Italy uma will stop Italy and stop it we what is that o ibungbe ni ma na wa ko wa bi gbe ma only watch ma only dege iwa de no na we sa lo buwa no ya jowa ojo na egbe no ya jowa ododo e mata ije no bi ugwa ha ginye we nu we unu ni mana ro wa be ni me no gwa na imaila Oba Palace one day imaila one day ni na ro wa be ni Arie Stadium ime mi mia o ye koja wo pa ya de ye koja wo pa ya yan be na ya mo ji ma gbe awopa ekoya ge ye ko ahian okay mana Oba Palace ri ya gbera ama iwa mie ohoho ewe yawe ama mi egbiyan ma gbonte oni sunu ewe bo maje o heke ni ma walk ni ma yore love walk against the law na mu we ye woni walk against that law then ye je no henge down with that ni atie na hinya but governor Ginyanemi Angela Mami atie. You can't try no sort of nonsense. No me piche Nenemi Angela odo agbenijo ogbe na patabiti ogbe no yo see Facebook. You can't try it. Who waje gan ye wo? What is that? Omo na go wa gon wa o woman mai no heke. Huh? Where me bo na natalunu na keka. When I ha me go where via fankulo nenemi ona make testimony you who pay me at ejo who pay jo unless you mind law if you don't know your law man you know your rights you are free or matter go no who no ja gbegbe don't try it again not that again is that a driving license me obi abai wa fi motor de very na vun wa fi ede me wa cause wa eni ajeje si that so motor na fi me no wa tiore owe kiti ada to patent that is who give me a driving license that's the way they ask me he say if you not sabi drive make I park no na pay body now just answer that the man say via that's so you just talk let me just finish and say via fankulo this is why I tell you so if eno na me waka na imeje tribunal jo ni me wa ya typhoon ni tag me na the phone ije tribunal jo elewe na bata don't try it iwa je tribunal jo ije court jo ma wa that very day the man na work in cancel the something so ni forget very on just here when you show we edole I tie bo no ma o na make testimony don't try it you go for it who wan jowo oni mate fresco uje fresco wo on a prison on ya kun rubbish u wala dia uti abonona nokpa ekonoma heke u bi ari ahia every blessed day who are you if you don't Germany do wa mai wa heke no wa Angela Merkel no rule wa you don't have the right mo pi sore la dia no agbada bada bidijo no muje bani you can't do it wa we you answer query for it una dan we you answer query for it wa no ma yen heke no wa emi egungbe ri ma this thing wa come too much all for ban all here we ban all for ban all you continue ah there you are where Germany passport of where like any meje JJC we kan tama when meje amari Germany passport adobo ye Germany passport no ama no ya we ni dan when meje we ti dota me we Germany passport go we inu yes we gbe Germany ba e lo kere no be Germany ba ni o be re dian unless you marry here we yan e ya kan na the passport your obo when you marry here citizen you don't have the passport or to win for many years. Ayo wa win be mana for 10 years abi you can apply for it. Who pay a tax your hona mo. We not say Germany be Nadia. Who do I the social media? Who a passport in Germany? Who give you? Who dash you? I mean JJS you can tell the any image. I don't even care about that one. Ekenu we Johnny no ma keni. You have to stop for it. Umana stop e ye don ire Germany. Imegi don you wana. No even answer thing. It's against the law. And the boy now it's against the law. Oga sumu vitali, nya stop ene. Ene we na bata. Nya stop ene. You don't have the right. No adi just social media. U do mwe e pisheri ma u muje ba wa gbe ne no ma ko we wa gbe no ejo. Abio we. Anybody picture when ye no gbe na bada bidiji, you answer for it. It's not a joke. Why I know? It's not a joke. You don't do that. Or when you unwa we ima only reply we unless someone when you say we are then if you try it on me, you will answer for it. You will answer for it. Ici il est ton we so. Il est ton we so. Because a lot no movement mudia, il est kere wo. So don't do that. Then atama we kere ni ade your boss say hama we. Ayo boss say hama we no. Noro wo awe norinyo when you ya we ni gejo owinye hiriye era bwe ude owinye hiriye owe norinye ko enye han ya we ni o akobe mamofe ehi to bi e wonye hin o gele akobe mofe owo bi kunye hin iri edonire Germany wa yore wowe is getting too much ikuga ibungbe arwa o idege is obungbe otumoshigbe uwa unwa awa aroviera ede agbe uwa ni makane mawe not by la de makane mawe wa mu like and love man okay mu like and love wa sure aga temi agbon wa sure aga temi no ma wa da me o so kwene ne no ge ya una ogun awon tamuwa Wohatamugwa iniwa giri enwe wa de enu hengeru weta we wo se no tai enu ma giri weta wo se no tai ha I fear o if you don't let Germany wa game na stop ni respect no ruwa gbe no je aro there yo respect no ruwa gbe wa ri efu because man Italy may take care rubbish. I believe the West Spain will take care. I take care. Nyeke we wa mate 5 ne won je we gbe la den do we mo si egbe rubbish ni ogbele gbe isi eboluwa odo tebe no ese wo we don't joke tana we na won mama iwe yan we awe na won o mama iwe na egbe yari e be gwe dion be this one where the mofi wa mo go ni fua me de oni de towo ni yon sun so all those one aveni me de ge ni na insta can me de journal to fight on it on the way yon sun Germany de mofi no we kana e passport e ogbo e obo passport Germany passport ogbo ma no right no heke no do ta mai Oma no a evidence mu bi obale gbe total e boss e ze do ma we be any mezo na even one na be do self e ma le run no be change no be translate enu awon je yo di mo fin wetani a passport of go but o me right no heke your carry me yawa so me just forget that why the money there because near do dey angry kakabo your carry me yawa be picture no heke no man heke no via your cash now it's against the law even way it's against the law you can't do that and then I'm your woman you here no you can't try it one try you pay for it you pay for it a damage you must pay Joe. I say we am go free so why the more money job because only here kawajo ya mo men your cash and then you no so I mean you on $9 and they cannot try it and not time me tie you so on no we yen job here no my de je me dokpa no okpa wa yahin A to Z that wa kugbe is the same thing iri okpa yin we at that way ujunu we no mama uja je ke no ma keke no je no okpa wa yahin okpa I try udo gbera nene wa igbera nene gbije nene udo we ni do ase we it can't be let you ase we o hian no hin ariana maria be o hin so my brothers and sisters gay no ya gele wa ume wa bi me ime ofo ye gbiri me so iwa oni wa me rush anytime because so ibun gbe no good e man ire Germany wa yore ove wa yore ona na si ana mo pa wa ehun ebe edegbe wene akono get passport go for it ya gwa ya dunu sha it's getting too much but dunu sha we get no against our king omagba ere sunu iya na de ho ye the next day ari beg ene everyone na bata because oga egwu wa akpoboji yen wa gi ejo wa share video wa like me ta na you continue yen no be never ni so we against the law I can't you ma abio no na mu no enani ladian e Queen of Elizabeth ke ka me mie we o ma ladian ogbi yen odo vie pichiri e ladian odo agbero pishijo ero esunu wa me gbon who want me answer query who a prison here was in Womujo so my brothers and sisters even is a jawa we be Germany kwa o heke no wa yore ove wa ga ni biye since agwa egwa wi yen ho emi no heke wa iri ne ona we gbe ogbubijo awe no pa awa ko wa won e de no go gbelegbe do so bo makana awo do answer query ogo answer don't answer so that is that my brothers and sisters umana law no mu we mudia many memeje mema me on e oni on a program you watch our tell law all the time iwa lele iwa ri ejun na o kele pick e lejo before I let them ogbo ma wa go wa tie bone eni na dare le ni jejesi e bo we bo wa gun e gbe wa ro bi wa tie bone okunrin ko me self gbogbo ja o where you can go for it okay but don't use no offend that is no insult use words of insult that money weti gwegun wagun or gwegun ye na tie bonu we say we ma na tie no na testimony o answer query jo o se wa na me so ni wa gbiyan bi tie mo bono ya fi oja only go for law for it or go for law for it no then no do answer query good as many fake people nyare Germany ba ni aso wa o win your enemy of Germany your lapa wa of Germany your kaka wa of enemy your la kam enemy of Germany or he say kenona heken wala dian na wa ya na huyehu wa yi say ya huye wa na do so bo enjoy really only the cat ban of one way you can unless you way imagine we tell me where already mo fi odon we in your woman gbogbo enemy o ga en we ni woman o si palo na no re manana o mu gi ogbalegbe o e di right o e mi no keke no wu so e mo do ta mai e ba ni me kana e do work o fi were ene e no do ata lo social media wa ata lo you don't do anything who wa ta o to e kan ta loji so why do mo get the mo fi jo because ma oni mo get the mo fi jo I don't mo get the mo fi jo ko wa mo get jo wa wo si ne because beno ya wu ga gwo egbon le ni kereba won mo bene unde wa gwo egbon so ma ri e ga no ya en we okay e that yen it's too late to cry but me ye kai yo they are all the same yen wo pa be do de ba no hu wa ko abun wa mi obo mi we ya la de ni ma de wo wa ima mi obo we ya anya won wa we okay ono na e na hin okay ono na e na hin wa mi obo mi we wa la de ni ma ko ade wo wa iba body on ya mu wa aladian because e kenedi wa biju wa majo wa na wa keke no je wa ajun ya ta wa yun se fajo no feel ya we no so abel ho e sage on ya asa it's just the truth so o ma nu wa e lo no mu we mu dia don't fear anything o mu dia e lo ni o wa mu dia jo gangan e mo kin ye we mi ni ye wu ni say against the law you can't try it you can't do it. What is that one? E Facebook ya wonu ya na ya mwe picture wejo, ugmene mi no kon wejo, you talk anything about you, other people privacy you do mujo gbanga sian for them. Who born you? So, my brothers and sisters, I don't talk rich or severi or even if I severe na. Then Sandra Agbogun, omo wa hin, wa bela music no wa pe. Wa continue because social media no rena or si ave ni ya fefefe na iwa me music or Sandra Agbogun eyan pa pe eyan wa bu mo yan say 50 very on say no where and social media no rena uwa ama my brothers and sisters wa no gele ladian do si wana uwa ama also abo aju wa bo e can pay o ma no ewe and Sandra Agbogun ta I go bali yen le ho that means o ba wo we hin uwe ko dolegbe weji wa en wo pa wo we iye Sandra Agbogun wa nu yasu na o wa balome mo wa gugun a ugbe ne gboye because there is social media o si pa lo na ga we keke no ma keke no jo ga se ba ni so my brothers and sisters when ire Germany most of when ire Germany wa en we gbe ni ana ti sumo Italy so wa yore no any asset we me wo no any asset we me wo wa yore no wa try no wa we of course working dausa of course human traffic must stop egbe ya de bawe but omana we me down have a time man understand human traffic must stop yes it must stop omana we me down I must to a time we if na is bad under for workers one it's true you don't talk honu ga ni ewe we my ewe yet do ta wo you know for me obi da osa wa em no wa keke no e mo kina ne no re ba ni o re jo gbalegbe doleji passport igwe we bonia o in lo no re ke no genia o re no doleji e he me don ewe je so obi da osa so awe mi ne so e na ta we let's come together and fight it e jeni oje wa me lo no re jeni wa ne teni kene no be redian e be take am we gebe no je redian we no je redian oye me ne Germany yan pay name awodo iyan du ebe mo we iyan du ebe me tani je e dem dia won mo gbo a iyan bi enu e so they are different law not different e so we law no we kegbe so ave na do amu e do a tie bono na the social media now it's against the law mostly no na wa re egbera na re kino ma keke no jo it's against the law almost to answer kwere iwo Italy na baba were gbe taijo were gbe taibo Italy na oga esunu ni yan we wan yan te 5 ne 5 mi eke we nene mi eke wa taifo yan doleji ne abeg o si o hake yan we man re Germany so o ma kan me wa ge ma be awe no gba we o ma kan me ma be awe but abe ma no heke no we abe ma ni ati Edo Union of Germany wa heke no ladian ati wa Edo ne Edo ati wa o ma se ti we mi ropa wa se nega ene no ga ya wo na wase I no me social media why money why no bale go ni ali hu nene ya because not meta problem on me eh why okay maybe na Italy you trust Italy police why you gba na ya na fear go don't play with them anything away privacy una don't want their social media oh god ni agba han wa so don't do that why gba yan do like we my bet Italy ya gwa maku mene omo meje yan join enomo gwa maku wa mess up if when you want me away if wa trust yan number 1 yan wa fin money they don't play with that wa matriti we uri la ni yan say okokin yan say yan wa come me away gbevere they don't play with it a private where something privacy una do amu eladian even boyfriend and girlfriend sana me wo gbaga ku okay ire wa yiku a picture no wa me bro ni gba mu or maybe you naked ona ya mu ye social media all like one chance all like one chance e matter so my brothers and sisters just a little and e fere when you water so no me ho we no down me ho wa we continue and don do one set wa Nia ni reje ni aseti wa Italian. Eti an wa Italy. O wa like one chance. Nye be down we dia. So we ga we wa ga je me mani rodo any mobile gwan. Menefregist enya hin. Don't say on na misbehave. My brothers and sisters, so from Atoshe Boma, remain blessed, my people. I love you all. Wagima temata megbima. Una umemi no ma heke ila diando re picture we la diando agbe na badabidi job because yen a lot no mume I won't do that mena de me come meje ila diando do tama ni do atie ba onwe oni do me picture we ni do agbe na badabidi job no omo na mo gi me la dian ine ha ma we drop me wa gogo igba gbe me wa gbe igore I know was a cut wa ha mi ya we ni ya mo la dian elo when you charge you 50,000 euro, who pay? Why is there a sa egbe wowe? Why is there a sa egbe wowe? Why is there a sa egbe wowe? So, wa mete ne gbuwa. Nene ni no bia yawo. E ma tare do tamawe. O ade man pe manu eni bi yeke gbidi go ahead. Yan when you are against the law. Emi ya nu we video nu we Emi ya fefe no gbene ona soro gbalegbe ho wa mi petition oye wo oye wo otan woto so ma agwa wa ri e o ma na ka mo wa we na de ni na no ukire wo inigo ya pen we bo emi Italy na yela wa fiogo na ya na fiogo wa ri we fi we kan wa re ba ni e don me wa me picture ma utule mo ma ewe oge edoya na wa mo re do ya wa mu je bani e mata do we do ba no bi on na to la mogun ma bo wa we ji it's against the law my brothers and sisters you don't try that I don't know again I don't know again or where I swear if you come I go take you go Murphy house if you know Murphy house you when no gbegme now if you know Murphy house what ma say where shall my cuz I don't know what I go tell no na me gbe na I dey you gbe me ya we because a law we boy I je ezo ya ta igbe na ta you fight with a law uje law ya gui a law we na a law mu ja we yeke because we ya gbe wa you against the law we go against the law man when I ya gbin wo wa we go against the law who mu yo gbalegbobo ni adun me wa vie ni ya dun abo na ga unu eni no ya gun ani do ha ga ya gun so my brothers and sisters just a little thing when you want emi fele when you want so any social media no re ona do here kenana me lawyer ona do here kenana me judge ama when I social media ya gun they to wa well in a respectful way o me dey okay because a video music in again na ni akpe Sandra Agbogun keka ave son musician so who wa to o sa ba bless wa aka ne social media na do mwere me dokpa o ma iwa lumo me o ma ri mi ogojo da fun ere yen mo ade social media da fun ade o bo kin le da no de o ma ri mi ogojo yen mo ade o ko dan nene mi no pa ere ya we mi a erio o bo kan si ae e no ka ke na ta in a way o ave gbe yen gita wage ogbe o ka gbe wage we the marriage wage mu goju yan e ba so abeg my brothers and sisters. Social media no na why get no ya hin we and why aya we me life now use your sense wa han advising on account to marry husband and man a husband and wife yan no ka gbe wa ya time do ni na ta social media because my ya disgrace egbe ma. Many people know what here without going against the law. I am more respecting egbi ma ya mo efua. The enemy out there o magwala when social media do call for what? For what? You don't have the right. Wo mare enya. Wo ri eri gijiyan bo. Wo ugare na tena mu go jiyan. O ma agu wa gun wa o get to mani yan gbovu wa or yan because it's Emma. Adeo, I want to report it. I can do report as a man. What it between you with that person? Why I call Tabani, Elionia, or Kona, where we very nani, I blame Nana Emma. I one day, you are wanted. Banenemy, come and answer the query. Come and do this one. Oh, a lawyer were here. A lawyer were here. Oma kamu wani, why ye? Omanari so kutuku ne? What don't I don't know. If I know, I for just, again, it's too late to cry. I don't know. Social media, na ya we mi owe no. Na ya we, come and do this. That for me say me or less or more or we no pa, or less or more ni ya na go ngwa na gbe. Ina wa. Ina wa. Talk to them. While they are going to advise in a private way. And I'm more social media. Don't you disgrace egbe ma? Wa ha we se nenemi e bono magba o wa ya zelo egun do ayen no wata. O se ni ha gun gbe so ni we gume lu edo me. E ke iyo la nenemi. Oni be sijo, ni be zedo me. Oye ni be ro wa ni be gbi e wo me gun. O wu wa e bo abata beti e pidgin no magba won o wa ya te ya. So wa be careful. O ma go wa gun wa take care. Wa take care. Social media is not made for all this rubbish. Made for other things. Umana eni no we utamame. We mana be we tamame. O we na ya o eno do ya tiebo. Na do ya we na do ya disgrace egbima. E mani ro wa o itame mani rewe bo. What a shame. O itame mani rewe bo we. Wa ge do social media le do mure. Now wow. I greet everybody. So my brothers and sisters, no ga tamame for the first time when you picture. Okay, nene no ga ya wona ni ri eyin no ya jowa no o si e no ya jowa won ori pe anegele ya wa gu egun ari hun so wa egu o si e na ri ejo ni wa ya mi we ya send the video ga no ina we mata ge ulule ga ebo no to ulule ga ebo no to my brothers and sisters, I greet everybody. I greet una. One love. Have a make one day like that. Why we memo bola dia verioni? Mere memo bola dia verioni. Imo bola dia verioni. So why enjoy summer? Enjoy your summer. Why eze wa ya hue because orima megbe amezeni. Orima. Wa dole gbeji ojo ma ya hin o se you know that amazing wa jo wa ya whoever ya Britain that hair ore zeni o wa makakabo. So my brothers and sisters, my gani ya we gbe ya come back so oni make na we guwa gwan. So my brothers and sisters, any mi o any when nya we ayen fo agbon na o ma mi wu gbunugbo na hin na lewo ohun a small law no lele where some people nya ma care. They feel you're there for abroad. They might say, "Why don't get the care? No, why we born 5 years okay can or egbebe wonoje or different law ne no mo emudia. There are some of people no be 50 years in ne makwe kene law kesu ya mawe ke no ke end. You know, so like any meje waka bolele some programs ni na watene law so iwa mo bolele so ya pike all the jane le yan many things you say me ate so for that for all we one na ho igwe program no ho. So my brothers and sisters, all see na we do tell adian we area do ni Germany e no heke wa no one in Germany no we law no we law because it's against the law of the whole Europe. I think it's against the law when we picture maladi and do agbe na bada bidijo no man okpa enfa even so when akwe himself and am your woman way you don't have the right no ya maladi unless you were a judge or sign anyway or see na me nya wa yani we news ya me o me kenya o me right ni ade me say because you can wait one picture anybody na dem do am na dem so this person do this one o me kenya mo ese. So my brothers and sisters, I greet you all, one love. So that is that. I don't want to lead you any when you want to so there emi vanana la dia we ni do pon mi yan ni swi wani yan we say social media ha mo re bi edo yan see because then the social media now omo bene un de na ga se ke no ma ke no jo na mi we ke no ma de ke ne la bi je manjo ye na wi yan han se ba ni o mi bo we ya se ba ni o meju un tai so the social media now lo no mu wa mu dia be mu wa jo ke no wa ni awon kere awuma no bo wo bete kere be won. So my brothers and sisters, from Untouchable Mama, I love you all, one love. See you next time. I don't know when. Why enjoy summer why because in winter in the bank ave onini ya odo gwo egbe ya wa. So one love, bye bye my brothers and sisters. Wachao.